Soxhlet apparatus. It is one of the important laboratory apparatus which is mainly used for the extraction process. It was originally designed for the extraction of a lipid from a solid material and then it can be analyzed by the TLC or HPTLC. Soxhlet apparatus mainly consists of heating mantle. It is used to heat the solvent and we can also adjust the temperature through this knob according to the boiling point of the solvent. This is the knob and this is the heating mantle overview. This is the sample and in our case it is the powder form of Aviora bilimbi. The thimble. The powder form of Aviora bilimbi leaves is weighed and then placed in the thimble and packed with the help of thread. And the solvent is chosen according to its polarity and solubility. And in our case it is ethanol. This is the solvent. This is the distillation flask. It has two openings, to one of which extractor chamber is attached. Since it is round from the bottom, it is also known as round bottom flask. Then this is the main chamber of extraction process known as extractor. It also consists of distillation arm and siphon arm. Siphon arm helps in trickling of the extracted solvent. This is a condenser which helps in conversion of vapors of solvent into liquid through the cooling process, and it also has inlet and outlet. These are the pipes used for the inlet and outlet. Now we will show the assembly of Soxhlet apparatus. Soxhlet extraction is used when the desired compound has a limited solubility in a solvent. Now the extraction solvent to be used is placed in a distillation flask. Now keep this round bottom flask on a heating mantle. The source material containing the compound to be extracted is placed inside the thimble. The thimble is loaded into the main chamber of the Soxhlet extractor. Gel or Vaseline is used to seal the openings of the chambers together. Extractor is placed atop the flask. The stand should be used for the support of the apparatus. Now take a reflex condenser and then Vaseline is used to seal the opening. Then place it on the top of the extractor chamber. Then take both the pipes. First attach the pipe to inlet opening and other end should be attached to the tap. Then attach another pipe to the outlet of the condenser and other end should be kept in a bucket to reuse the water. Now we are showing a one cycle of extraction process. The solvent vapors travel up a distillation arm and floods into a chamber housing the thimble of a solid. The condenser ensures that any solvent vapor cools and drip back down into the chamber housing the solid material. The chamber containing the solid material slowly fills with warm solvent. Some of the desired compound dissolves in the warm solvent. When the Soxhlet chamber is almost full, the chamber is emptied by the siphon. The solvent is returned to the distillation flask. The thimble ensures that the rapid motion of the solvent does not transport any solid material to the still pot. This cycle may be allowed to repeat many times over hours or days. As the number of cycles increases, the concentration of solvent extraction becomes more concentrated. One of the main advantages of Soxhlet apparatus is that it allows for unmonitored and unmanaged operation while efficient recycling a small amount of solvent to dissolve a large amount of materials.